Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi, I'm Gabriel, your ICT tutor. In this video, we'll be looking at the database part of this question paper. That is October-November 2025, paper 2. In the last video, I looked at the document parts, and you can see the link in the comment section, so you can check it out. Let's go back to database. All right, you are now going to prepare some reports. Make sure all required data is fully visible. Use database software to import the file n502race.csv as a new table. Now, keyword there. So the next thing you do is to open a database software you have installed on your computer. In my case, I have Microsoft Access, so I'm launching Microsoft Access right away. So I click on blank database. So I'll call this tax 2 database November 2025. All right. So here is it. The next instruction is use database software to import the file as a new table. This is the file you want to import to raise. So I will go there. Then I'll go to external data. I will make sure I go to new data source. Then I go to from file, text file, because it's a CSV file. Then I'll browse for my source file. My source file is on the desktop, on my desktop. So I pick it on my desktop. That is November 2025. Yes, this is the file raise according to the question raise. So open. Okay. Next. First row contains field names. I will tick that. Then I go to advanced. Always set your dates order to DMY. Okay. Then you can cross-check from the question. So text. That is from club number to last name. Club number to last name, text. Then the next one is entry number to year of birth. That is integer till age, integer. Okay. Integer. Then the next one is date with time, record time, and race time. Record time and race time. That's the date with time. Then the next one is pace. That is number and it's decimal. Number and it's decimal. So because it is decimal, Access takes that as double. So that is correct. Then the next one is gender results and race results, integer. Okay. Integer. That's beautiful. Then I'll say okay. So after that, I go to next. Is there any primary key there? Set entry number as a primary key. Entry number as a primary key. So I go to choose my own primary key. Entry number as primary key. Next. Finish. So I have successfully imported the file into my database. So I would come and double click here to have it here. Then there are other things we have not done. Right click and go to design view. So what are those things? We have not done the display format. So entry number till age should display as integer. Entry number, okay, integer. These three. Good. Then the next one is race, record time and race time should display as hour, minutes, seconds. So initially, after the import, if you go back to view, save, and go to datasheet view, you will see, okay, it's also like that. So, but then I will go and do that, design view, and select it under format. I will pick, just like the way they gave it to me here, HH:MM:SS. So I'm going to format it like that for this HH:MM colon SS for the first one, record time. And the next one, I will do also HH while I click inside it, HH colon colon SS. That is hour, minute, second. So you see, I click inside it before I did that. Then gender results and race results should be integer. Okay, gender, integer, integer. So that is integer, integer. But pace should be double. That's the decimal number. Okay, but they did not tell us decimal number, decimal places. So we can leave it like that. Place in your evidence document a screenshot showing the field names, data types, and primary key used. So that means you come here, make sure everything is visible, then you take your screenshots. So that's the meaning of that. You take the screenshot from here. So then I'll take the screenshots. Nothing should be hidden when taking the screenshots. Okay, copy. So I'll paste this screenshot. That's step 15. Paste. So I have that. Then the next one, the question says change the data type of the pace kilometer per hour field to display as time with the format HHMMSS. So I'm going to do that for pace. So I'll go to pace. So to do that, let me first click inside pace, go to datasheet view and see the way it look pace. Look at the way pace look initially. So let me try to format it that way and see what we'll get pace. While I'm inside pace, then I'll go to format and I'll do HH colon colon SS. Then let me go to datasheet view. Yes. Oh, beautiful. You can see that that is done. Pace, beautiful, good. So after that, let me go back to the question. Then import the file club as a new table in your database. Set all the data types to text and set club code as the primary key. Okay, so I'm importing a new, so I'll right click on this to save. So I go to external data, new data source, from file to text file because it's CSV file. I'll browse and what's the name of the file to pick, and that is club. Okay, so I pick club, open, okay, and I have this. So then you go to next. First row contain field names, advanced, DMY, set all the fields to text according to the instruction. Okay, next, is there any primary key there? Set the club code as the primary key. Next, club code as the primary key. Next, finish. All right, so we have the second table, which is race. So the question says we should take screenshots. So we go to design view. All right, of this, take the screenshot again of club, sorry, design view of club. Then I can close this for now. Take the screenshots and take it with the name of the table. Copy, then I paste it in my evidence document. All right. So the next thing to do is import the file age group as a new table in your database. Set all the data types to text. Set group code as the primary key and take an evidence document. All right. So age. Close this. External data. New data source from file. Text. Browse. Age. Group. Then open. Okay. Next. First row contains field names. Then advanced. All of them set to text. DMY. Okay. Next. Next. Primary key. A primary key according to the instruction is group code. Group code. next, finish. Right. So we have the third table imported, which is age group. We have it. So the question says we should take screenshots of the data type design view. So we take it this way, just like the other ones we have done. So take it and paste it in the evidence document. All right, paste. Then we go to step 19. Create one-to-many relationships as links between the club code field in the club field and the club number field in the race table. Then the group code field in the age group table and the age category field in the race table. So to do this, we are going to open the three tables created. So I go to access, I save it, then I go to database tools, then I go to relationships. So a table comes up like this, and I'll double click on each of them to have the three tables open. So the question says I should pick from club table and race table. Club and race. So if I have club and race here, then I should have club number and club code. Club code. I will drag it to club number. Where is club number? Club code too. Sorry, let me confirm that. Club from the race, club number. Okay, here is a club number to club code. Then one to many, and I'll click on create. That's the first one. Then the next one is group code field in the age group and the age category. Group code and age category. So I drop it on age category. One to many, create. So I have that. Then I open up this, nothing should be hidden. So all the field can be displayed. Then place in your evidence document screenshot showing the one-to-many relationship between the three tables. So for me to show that, I can just do for this first one-to-many for these two. I take a screenshot for these two first, take the screenshot, then say okay for these two. I go to evidence document to paste, then I take for the other two, which is between this, double tap this, one to many, I put it here. So I take the screenshot for these two again, so that one to many can show here. I copy and I paste it also in the evidence document so that I have two screenshots there. Then the next one is in the race table, use an automated search function to locate the record with the entry number of 1498. All right. In the race table, use an automated search function to locate the record with the entry number of 1498. So I say okay. Then I close relationship and save it in the race table. So to search for that, I can use any of these to search. So since the question says entry number, so I can do it in two ways, but one of the ways is I click on entry number as a field name. I'll go to find, then I use that number to search 1498. So I type 1498 to search 1498 fineness. Yeah, here is the record. You see the record is highlighted here. Here is the record 1498. Then what am I going to do with it? The question says place in your evidence document a screenshot showing the automated search function you use to locate the record. Okay, so with this, I can do like this. I use it to search for it, take the screenshots to show that I use this to search for it, copy, then I paste it in my evidence document as step 20 evidence. Okay, and I go back to do what I was doing. I've seen it. So the question say I should edit the following, amend the details. Each category should be FSE 39. FSE 39, that's each category should be. So this age category, FSE, so I will edit this 39. I've done that. Then the next one is year of birth should be 1992. This year of birth of that same 1992. 1992. Then the next one is age 33. Age 33 instead of 22. 33. Then gender result 137. Gender result 137. Here is it. 137. 137. Okay, good. After that, check your data entry for errors. Save the data. That is for 2 marks. Okay, so since I'm sure I have typed it correctly, then I can cancel this, then right click to save. Then the next one is using field from the race and club tables. Produce a tabular report from the race and club table. So to do that, I will go to create. Anytime a report is asked to be created, the first thing you need to do is to create a query. Your report will be based on the query. So I will create a query first. So I go to create and I will go to query wizard. Simple query wizard is what I will select. Then I will pick from the 2 tables mentioned, which are race and club. Race and club. So this is race. I'll move everything. Then I select club again and move everything. Next, next. So this query, I may prefer to call it step 21 or question 21, just for identification purpose. Step 21. All right. So finish. So I have the query created. You can see under this navigation pane, you can see the query, the one I just created, step 21. So after that, then the question says select the records where area includes the text Scott. And I've said it before in the previous videos I've done, that when they say it includes, so that means you are going to use asterisk that particular text, then asterisk. So for it includes the text Scott under area, area includes. So I'll right click on the query. I go to design view. So I locate area where we have area. So I'll search for that area. Where do I have area? Area. Okay, here is it. So in the criteria row, I'm going to put that in the criteria row of area. So it includes means asterisk, Scott, asterisk. That is very important. Then age is 30 or less. So I will locate age. Age is 30 or less. Age is here, still in the criteria row. Age is 30 or less. 30 or less means less or equal 30. Less or equals 30. All right, then I run it to see. Okay. Now for the asterisk area, Scott, you can see everywhere we see Scott. So that's the meaning. Whether he starts it, whether he ends it, you can see that. And then age is less or equals 30. You can see that there. So we have 34 records filtered out. Then the next thing to do is shows only the field last name, first name, age, pace, club name, and area in this order. So the moment I have that, I can save this query. Then I go to create and I will pick report wizard, because that's when after I've created my query, I need to create my report. So report wizard, and I will make sure that the report is based on the query. You can see what I pick here is the query. So then I'll pick in the order they have given to me: last name, first name, last name, first name, then age, pace, age, pace, that is pace in kilometer per hour, pace. Then the next one is club name and area, club name and area. Good, in that order. Then with data and labels displayed in full, do not group the data. So I'll just say next. Do not group the data. That's why it's on race. If it was like this, the data is being grouped by club name. So I'll make sure it is this. Everything is on the same line, the same level. Next, next. So what's the next thing? Sort the data into ascending order of area and descending order of age. Now, I will not sort here ascending order of area and descending order of age. I will not sort here. I will sort later, because if I should sort here, it's going to rearrange the fields. All right, next. And they said tabular report. So it will be there. Tabular report. That's according to the instruction. Tabular report. You can see that. So I pick that. Then next, the name of the report. I can use what is given here: young Scottish finishers. Okay. So I copy that and I put it here. Good. Finish. Yes, this is the layout of the report. So then I can set my paper to A4. That is very important. Then again, they said it should be on portrait. That's why I left it on portrait. So then I will go back to this sorting that I skipped the other time. It is very important to sort in ascending order of area. So when I have it this way, it's better I go to layout view. Then I come to group and sort. So I click on group and sort. Then under sort, ascending order of area. So I'm going to pick area. Ascending order means A on top. You can see that ascending order means A on top. Okay, then after the area, then they said descending order of age. So I will come to add a sort again, and I'll pick age, descending order, that is largest to smallest. All right, so you can see that in action. Then after that, as a page orientation, we have done that. Includes only the text young Scottish finishers as a title at the top of the page. It is done. Add your name, center number, and candidate number on the report. So anywhere on the report. So I will do that by going to design view. I'll go to design view. Then I'll go to report design menu here, and I will pick label. Sorry, this is label. Then after I've picked that, then I will write name anywhere here, name, candidate's name, center number, and candidate's number. So after that, I can then go to layout view back. You can do it like this, layout view, so that you can set up the data. In case you are seeing this, that's where we need to adjust. Many candidates have asked me, is there any other way by which you can do this without adjusting manually? But for now, I think we just have to do it manually. So you click on this label, press down Control key on your keyboard for multiple selection, then click the one that is immediately under it. So the two would have been selected, and you move it to create some space so that you can adjust the text. Nothing should overlap, nothing should break. Age, move it. All right. Then paste, move it. All right. Then club name. Good. Then area. Okay. Move it in. Good. Then scroll down to be sure that nothing is hidden. All right. This one also move it away from these broken lines. Then name and center number, candidate number. You can move it somewhere around this. So the next thing is that I'm going to format it. I like to do this to make my work stand out. So I could select this and bolding it, right? Change it to automatic. Okay, it's bold enough. I can also do that for the field names too, so that they can stand out when I print them. Okay, good. Then I could do it for this also. Then there's something I notice. It's like there is an overlap here. So I can move this to this, all right. Then I open up this so that nothing will be hidden. Okay, nothing is overlapping. You see that? Good, good. I think this one too. I need to do that. I'm sorry, you have to do this manually. So something you can't run away from. You have to do it manually. Okay. So then this, you open it up too. Then when you are done and you have seen that nothing is hidden, oh, this one's longer. Okay. I still need to move this a bit. Okay, good. I think we can now check. Nothing is hidden anymore. So with this, we can now right click save and go to print preview. All right. You can see that your name, center number, and candidate number appear and on the page. You can see that. So what's the next instruction? So after that, save and print your report for 7 mark. So to save, right click save, then go to print, and you print it from your printer. So that is the first report. So let's go to the next question. The next question says that using field from all three tables, produce a tabular report from all three tables. The first report we created was based on just two tables, but this one is talking about three tables. So how do we do that? Let's go. So you go, you can close this for now. Since you are done and you have saved it, you can see the report here in case you need to open and print. You see the query here for this particular report. So since the question is saying we create another report, so we are going to create another query, and the query will be based on the three tables. So we say create, and we go to query wizard, simple query wizard, and make sure that you are picking from the right tables. So we'll start from the first table, which is maybe age group if I want, or I can start from race. I pick everything from race. Go to club. I pick everything from club. Go to group. I pick everything from group. Next, next. Now, what's the name of the query? Since I'm doing step 22, I may call it step 22, so that in case I need to do anything to edit, so I just step 22. That's the name of the query. Finish. Here's the query. So I go to the sign view of the query. You can see I have the query here. Then the next thing will be that select the records where age cat is FSC 29 or FSC 39. Age cat is FSC 29 or FSC 39. So I will locate age cat. Here is it in the criteria row where age cat is FSC 29 or FSE 39. So I can even copy it. FSC, copy, FSC, copy, and I'll go to this and I paste it. FSC 29 or FSC 39. Let me run and see age cat. Oh, you can see from age cat, I'm now having FSC 39 or FSC 29. Good. Then the next one is club name does not include independent. Club name does not include independent. Now, if include means star, independent star, not include will now be not space star or asterisk, independent asterisk. Do you get that now? Club name. So I go to club name, design view, club name. Club name is around, here is it, in the criteria row. So I'm going to put not include. So include is asterisk independent. You have to type it correctly, not independent. Then I run it. Club name. Okay. Here I'm having 18 records. Club name. Club name not does not include independent. You can see from the club name, there's no word such as independent. So that means that is correct. Then the next thing now says it contains a new field called age graded, which is calculated at runtime. This field will calculate the record time divided by the race time. So I'm looking for age graded. Age graded. So I go age graded. So to create a new field, I'll scroll down to a new column here, and I will call it the name they have given to me, which is age underscore graded. Age underscore graded. Just the same spell. Immediately you are done without a space, you put colon. This part is very important. Colon. Age graded. Then this field will calculate the record time divided by the race time. Record time. Let me use the correct case. Graded record time. Then space. Where's record time? Record time. We have record time here. Record time. Okay. So I'm going to type record underscore the same spelling time divide by what according to the instruction divide by race time. So race underscore time, no space. Then after that we have that. So if I run it, I will see that would have worked. Oh, see, I have a floating point number. Okay, good. Then the question then says that it displays the age graded field as a percentage to one decimal place. To one decimal place as a percentage. So I go, I click here, then I will go open the property sheet if it's not opened. Now, so that I can format it as a percentage. I click inside it, then under format, I pick percentage, percent, and to one decimal place. Decimal place is 1. That's what the instruction says, I guess, to one decimal place. After that, I run it to confirm that. Oh, beautiful, to one decimal place. You can see that age graded. So after that, then the next thing is shows only the field first name, last name, age card, year of birth, age, club name, race time, age graded, and gender result in this order with data and labels displayed in full. Do not group the data. So I begin to pick it in this order. So what I will do is that I will right click to save. The moment I get to that part, then I go create the report. Report wizard will be based on step 22 query. So I begin to pick the field in this order. So the first one is age, first name, last name. I'm double clicking. Age card, YOB, age card, YOB. Then age, club name, age, club name. Then which one again after club name? Race time, age graded, race time, race time. Yes, race time, age graded. Then which one again? Gender results, gender results. Beautiful. Next, then they said do not group, so I have to let it be this way. Do not group, so it has to be like this. Next, next, Now for sorting, sort the data into descending order of gender results, but I will not sort here now. I've told you reason. If I should sort here, the arrangement I made will be scattered. So I'll say next, tabular results, report. So it will be here. But the question say it should be landscape. Orientation should be landscape. So I'm going to change orientation landscape. It should be it should fit to one page. So I will let this be checked this way. Then it should have the title Senior Female Club Competitors. So I copy this the title. So next, so the title I will edit it and paste that there, and I click on finish. But remember the other time, set your paper to A4, very important. And again, remember that we did not sort yet, which is sorting into descending order of gender results. So when I have it, I will go to layout view. I'll go to add the sort, then gender results in descending order. That's largest to smallest. So I can close this, not this one. This is deleting the sort. This is closing this dialog box. I can close this for now, property sheet. Then I will check what else I need to do. I've done everything here. Then ask your name, center number, and candidate number in the footer of the report so that it appears in the same position on every page. So to do that is also easy. So I'll do that in the design view, then report design menu, then I use label to write that, and I'll put it under page footer so that it can display on every page footer. You can see that. Then what am I putting there? Name, center number, and candidate number. So I have candidate's name, center number, and candidate number. Okay, good. Like I did the other time, I can select this to bolden it, this. All right. Then I go to format and I bolden that. So then after that, I go to layout view so that I can arrange the data. So let me start from this. You click this first one, press that control key on your keyboard, press the one immediately under it so that you can select it all at once. That's what we call multiple selection. So I have this. Then you do the last part too so that I can create space in the middle. Okay. Then you can do for this. All right. Move it towards left. Then do for age cards too. Age cards. Then adjust this too. Then do for YOB and do for YOB. Then go to age, then club name, all right. Then do for the next one, race time. Then the next one, do for this, age graded. Okay, you have some space now. Then do for gender results, which is the last one, gender results. So you can check and make sure nothing is overlapping, nothing is hidden. That's very important. Okay, to be sure. I think I have some space here for club name, and I have for race time. So I have this, remove this, create some space, remove this, create some space. So, all right, this is beautiful. Then after that, okay, save and print your report. So let me go to right click and save. Then I go to print preview, print preview. So I see the way it looks. I think I have 2 pages of it. This page 1, and I go to the last page. You can see on every page the name of the candidate, center number, candidate number displayed. All right, this is preview page. You can see that this is beautiful. So after that, what's the next thing? Save and print your reports. Then the total, the second report is 11, so the total for the database is 26 mark. So now we have come to the end. You can see the 2 reports. This is senior, this is young Scottish. This is the first report, and this is the second report. You can see how simple it is. When you just follow instruction step by step, you find it very easy. I have had a whole lot of questions from candidates in the past. Everybody saying, oh, database is the hardest in paper 2, but I tell them database is even one of the easiest. There's nothing so special about database using Microsoft Access. Just follow the instruction. You can always maneuver it, open the property sheet where necessary, and everything will be done. So if you have any question, I'm always available to attend to you. Drop your question in the comment section. Do well to like this video, share it with other people, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and do not forget to turn on your notification bell. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.